Good afternoon. I'm very sure you've been able to implement the last video we did in the last class on registration scripts. So today we'll be advancing further to learn another type of registration script that is a little bit different from the one we did in the last class. So let's click on add user to see how it looks like. Even though the user view actually looks very similar with the previous one. As you can see, the only one is that the one that I'm showing to you now is a little bit longer to this one. You are going to see the difference by the time we try to register a user for a test. Let me just quickly put a user. Okay, let me put Esther John. Assuming the username is John. The password is 123 and the status is record. Now you please observe this. Immediately I click on add button. As you can see, unlike the previous one that loads to another page before it will tell you that user successfully registered. But in this case, you will see that this is coming out like a pop-up or like an alert. And that is why the scripts we are going to be learning this afternoon is a combination of PHP scripts and JavaScript. So let's go to the real business for today. The name of the script, the registration script, is add staff. Actually, I'm showing you this directly from my server. Now, going to the top, you can just ignore the previous line 1 to 9. Let's start from line 11. You can see how I opened my PHP script. Now, after I've opened my PHP script, the next thing is, I've explained this in the last class, the line 13, I use set function to be sure that this will only be executed whenever the user click on the add button. That is the reason why you are seeing the is set. So going back to this, you will notice that, let me go to the form so that you see how it looks like. The HTML side, you could see the add button. Can you see button, close button? And you could see that the name attribute is what? Submit.